Today we are discussing Mahesh Dattani. In BA Part 3rd, we have Mahesh Dattani's Tara included in the syllabus. So let us discuss Dattani first, his personality, his works, his style of writing, the issues about which he talks. So these things should be discussed prior to uh, reading the play. Mahesh Dattani, these are the pictures. This is Mahesh Dattani. You can see him, a very dashing old man. Uh, so he was born on August 7, 1958. So he's almost 62 years and turning 63 in the next year. Mahesh Dattani is considered as one of the best Indian playwrights, and he writes his pieces in English. He's an actor, playwright, and director. Okay, we do not have so many Indian playwrights, and basically in English we have very few. We may have novelists, poets, um, documentary writers, but when we talk about drama or play, there are very few writers, and Dattani is considered best among those. And he always writes in English. He's an actor and playwright and director also. He is described as one of India's best and most serious contemporary writers or playwrights, writing in English by Alexander Waits in the International Herald Tribune. Mahesh Dattani is the first playwright in English to be awarded to the Sahitya Academy Award. Um, Born on August 7, 1958, Dattani received his early education at Baldwin's High School and then went to join St. Joseph College of Fine Arts and Science at Bangalore, Karnataka. Prior to his stint with the world of theatre, Mahesh used to work as a copywriter in an advertising film. He has also worked with his father in the family business. In 1984, he founded his own play group, Playpen, and in 1986, he wrote his first play, Where There Is a Will. Since then, he has written many plays such as Tara, Night Queen, Final Solutions, and Dance Like a Man. All the plays of Mahesh Dattani are based on social issues. Apart from theatre, Mahesh Dattani is also active in the field of film making. His films have been appreciated all over the world, and one of his films, Dance Like a Man, has won the award for Best Picture in English awarded by National Panorama. Besides being a playwright and director, Mahesh Dattani adorns the mantle of a teacher with equal ease. So he is a teacher also. He teaches theatre courses at the summer session programs of the Portland University, Oregon, USA. He also imparts training in the field of acting, directing, and playwriting at his own theatre studio in Bangalore. A director, actor, dancer, teacher, and writer, Mahesh Dattani has a versatile personality. Now, let us have a look at the major plays of Mahesh Dattani. Bravely Fought the Queen, Dance Like a Man, Do the Needful, Final Solutions, Night Queen, On a Muggy Night in Mumbai, Seven Circles Around the Fire, 30 Days in September, Where There's a Will. This is the book written by Dattani, Me and My Plays, who is considered as one of the most serious and well-known playwrights. Okay, and winner of Sahitya Academy Awards also. Mahesh Dattani's Tara, again a very well-known play. His Final Solutions, Dance Like a Man, Bravely Fought the Queen, Where There Is a Will. So all his dramas are written for the readers and also acted in the theaters for the audiences, and he excels at both the things. Each play of Dattani deals with social issues like gender discrimination, communal tension, child sexual abuse, problem of eunuch community, etc. The complexities of his relationship and predicament of the modern men find due expression in his dramatic works. Dattani's work has, in effect, revitalized the English theatre scene in India. In this connection, I would like to quote Shankar Mukashi Punekar, who says the absence in the 1980s of the new major Indian dramatists writing in English is indicative of the fact that while there is a vibrant theatre in the indigenous languages of India, there is little professional activity in English language theatre. The plays of Dattani are characterized by some theatrical thematic innovations. He's a confluence of art and craft. He has not only intellectual power and prowess to produce a play in text, but has an ability to get it staged successfully. While commenting on his plays, John McRae calls him the voice of India and observes, they are the plays of today, sometimes as actual as to cause controversy, but at the same time, they are the plays which embody many of the classic concerns for world drama. Dattani has an unconventional approach to theatre. He looks at the theatre as the medium to manifest the cause of the unprivileged segments of our society. His plays externalize the problems and pent up feeling of the subaltern in a very authentic and realistic way. So he doesn't have an traditional approach to drama. Like, he's very unconventional. He's very experimental in his dramas, and when he directs any drama, he looks it as a medium to serve something for society. So his plays externalize the problem and pent up the feeling of the subalterns in a very authentic and realistic manner. In his plays, Dattani visits untraversed and unexplored soil of homosexuals, HIV positive, eunuchs, physical challenged people, etc. It is touching up radical themes like gay themes, child sexual abuse, and eunuch, etc. He has greatly expanded new horizons in Indian English drama. Mahesh Dattani started his own theatre group named Playpen in 1984. It can be interpreted as the manifestation of his abstract ideas and knowledge of art and dance. This Playpen, an important performing art group, is very useful for the artist. His plays are performed at his studio. It encourages uh, envoys artists to participate. Uh, it encourages novice artists to participate in dramatic activities. He attributes his great success to his playpen. In one of his interviews, he asserts, "I would not say the only one, but I would say that I have been the most successful for various reasons. I have my own theatre company, that is Playpen, and I have a theatre background. I am not writing because I am a writer of literature. I am writing because I have a theatre background." So, his being successful in the field of theatre or drama is due to his background in theatre, that he has the attachment to theatre, and he has that theatre company also. That's why he can write well. So he says that I have a theatre background. This is a symbolic picture. Dattani has been teaching drama courses at the summer program of Portland State University, as I have already told you. He organizes there the workshops on theatre course and a host of other theatrical activities at his Playpen studio time and again. Being the multifaceted literary and dramatic figure, Mahesh Dattani has given a new height and dimension to the Indian English drama. He has rendered great help in bringing out Indian English drama from apologetic existence, because it was almost finished, it was almost done. Indian English drama, it has nothing, it was left nothing. Although we have few writers like Utpal Dutt, Vijay Tendulkar, etc., but very few to name, and they all write in regional languages also, but in English Dattani is one and foremost. Under the patronage of dramatists like Mahesh Dattani, the withering tree of Indian English drama has started taking its roots and growing rapidly. Besides being best known dramatist, Dattani is reputed an accomplished actor, director, scriptwriter, and dance teacher also. Dance like a man, remember? And it has been attributed. Dattani's dramatic art is inspired by the mission to communicate profound meaning through his plays, and therefore he exhibits keen awareness for the direction and stage form performance on his plays. His sensitive dramatic self is fine synthesis of a dancer, director, actor, playwright, audience, and commentator moving collectively towards a single direction. So, he has a multifaceted personality, a multi talented person. He has the dramatic art, he has the power to communicate through his plays, uh, he has direction arts in himself, he can perform as a part in his own dramas. Uh, he is a dancer, he's a director, he's an actor, he's a playwright, he is the audience himself, and he is the commentator himself. So all the things which are moving towards one single direction in Dattani's single personality. So Dattani as a writer is totally devoted to drama or to theater. Main thing is that he is one of the best writers, and the one who has won Sahitya Academy Award also, and most serious contemporary writers. His style of writing is serious. He always raises social issues in his works, and in his works we can see like he has social problems of child abuse, gender discrimination, problems of homosexualities, gays, eunuchs, etc. So these all are, you can find they are in the plays of Dattani. When we are going to read now in this BA part third, you have the Tara in the syllabus of third year of MGSU, Maharaja Ganga Singh University. So it is also based on the social problem of, like I have already told, he talks about handicaps also. So this is about gender discrimination and about a problem of handicapped people. So that's all in this lecture. We'll be meeting soon with description of Tara. Thank you very much.